Yes, we gotta finish eating it.
Come on, Charlie. We're gonna pull them off and we're gonna put them in here. Like this, Marcus.
No.
Strawberry picking with the littles. One is getting older and doing his own thing. If it's green, leave it there. Leave the green ones. Just
Only
the
the
red
red
ones.
ones, Marcus. Here, Candy, you wanna grab one?
What is that?
What is
That's the leaves.
Grab it.
Only the red ones.
Pull it. Pull it. Look. Look at her.
She ain't listening.
She said, listen, I'm just about to eat it. Candy, do
They're
you
right here.
Good job. Pull it off. Oh, that one is broken.
Yeah, that's. I just picked them.
Strawberry patch.
Oh,
Strawberry pie food.
Found some. You gotta get us eating.
Huh?
Look at this cutie.
Mommy, I got one.
and Marcus, you already had like two.
You
You
definitely
eating?
did.
You eating one?
Dang, these
right
fresh.
Mm-hmm. All that flavor.
Here, Winnie Moo, you want one?
Ooh, strawberry.
Yum.
What you think? Rate the strawberry sweetness.
You have
now. Mackenzie can get some too.
one. I can have
So, Marcus, how far do
So this is the lemon balm bush. So you can go all the way down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom and cut them
Oh, for
to
real?
get the whole. Yeah, they gonna grow back. Trust me.
Your turn. Be careful, don't cut yourself. It's giving money. Yeah, right there.
Lemon balm for days. Gonna be having these with our teas throughout the day. I mean, this is enough to get through probably with a family of 6, probably the rest of the summer.
I don't smell it. You can't smell like that. You gotta put it on her fingers. That's the back house.
That's how you smell it.
That's what he eat.
All right, guys, so we're gonna be harvesting some mustards. So you can see here, it's starting to form flowers. So that means it's gonna be going to seed. So what I'm gonna do is just harvest the entire plant. So I got my loopers here. We'll come to the bottom. We're just gonna cut it right there. So you can see how big this one plant is, okay? So now we're gonna do the same thing to this one here, and we'll probably plant some eggplant or something in this area here, mix it in with some onions. So I'm gonna place this here. Same thing to this plant that's going to seed. Come to the bottom. There we go. Same thing with this one. All right, so you can see the size of both here. So these are mustard greens. So now we're gonna harvest some of these cabbage leaves. So basically, you just come to the bottom and then they just snap. So we're gonna do this on this plant, and it's good to eat these. So why let anything go to waste? So we're gonna be cooking these. When we making these? Tonight. So we'll be having cabbage leaves tonight, and it'll continue to form the head that it's gonna form. So same thing with this one. Gonna take the leaves. So again, we're a family of 6, and we gonna have fun eating these. So we're gonna do the same thing with the green ones you can see here. And actually you can see a cucumber is growing here. So I'm gonna just let it do what it do. And I'm gonna take these as well. All right. These as well. So we not letting nothing go to waste. with all these healthy leaves. And another good thing about the cabbages, even when it forms a head, you cut the head off and it'll start to grow more than one head. So you can eat off one plant for an entire season. Let's get some of these little green ones here. All right, so now that we've cleared some of the leaves off, what we can do is plant in between each cabbage, okay? So we'll start to plant, you know, maybe some eggplant, some beans in between, because the cabbages, they're gonna start forming a head. So things are looking pretty good. You can see tomatoes are starting to form on the plants. You can see it at the bottom. So yeah, the garden is starting to produce for us pretty nicely. Now, one thing you guys also may need to know, if you don't know, this rhubarb, and I think I spoke about it in one of the other videos, the bars you can use as jam. Okay, so a lot of people like to use it for the jam. You can see that we've got some cauliflower over here. Okay, I'll be picking these probably in the next day or two before they start to spread, because once they start to spread, then they'll start, you know, flowering is coming next, like this one. So this is a smaller plant, so probably get this one tomorrow and have it in a salad or something. You can also see the broccoli is starting to form the heads here. You can tell by the width of the leaves that that's going to be a nice size head of broccoli here. Okay. Collards are looking good. We've got some, I think this is romaine lettuce. Not really much of a lettuce expert, but hey, this one self-planted itself from last year, so I just let it go ahead and do what it do. All right. So yeah, that's what we got going on this morning. A great day for harvesting. This mustard got beat up by the storms last night, so I'm gonna just let this one do what it do, see how big it gets, although it's going to seed too. So overall, we got a nice garden going. We put this little trellis up this week because we've got cantaloupe growing here. Okay, so the cantaloupe is gonna grow up along this trellis and go over to the backside, along with our watermelon growing back here. It's gonna start to run, meaning you guys probably know or don't know that it's a vine, and we're gonna have it going up above the trellis as well. So all of this is gonna be melons growing up and over this trellis and along this this little fence in here. Okay, so we got the cucumbers about to start running shortly. Turnips are doing good. Look at the size of that turnip. That thing is probably a diameter of probably about 5 inches, so it's pretty nice in size, nice healthy leaves. So we'll be eating off these soon too. So all right, so what I got for you guys today, hopefully you're happy gardening and you're starting to get some fruits of your labor. All right, appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.